My beautiful friends, how are you doing? I hope you participated in the to market snapshot that happened a few hours ago. A lot of people are still confused with regards to that. Some people were expecting to receive to market tokens in their connected BitGet wallet. Remember, we were asked to connect our BitGet wallet, but we didn't receive any tokens. Well, let's get some things straight here. Okay, what happened yesterday was really a snapshot, but it was a snapshot that rewarded early participants, those who've been playing the to market game for quite some time now, with stars. Okay, and these stars can be used to level up because they have now introduced a level up system. Okay, so what this means now is that you can level up. There are about 4 or 5 levels or so. Okay, there is the clay level, the iron level, the bronze level, the silver, the gold levels. Okay, so these levels, okay, the higher you climb on these levels, the higher your airdrop allocation. Okay, so if you log into your to market accounts now, you would notice that you're probably now ranked, okay, because of the new level up system. But the question is, should we continue farming this? Okay, well, the answer is pretty simple. Yes, okay, because we still have about 2 months, okay, for the main TGE to happen, and that's going to be happening late October. Okay, this is just September, so we have close to about 2 months before the main TGE. Okay, so I want you to remember there were about 6 criteria, okay, that was used for the snapshot yesterday, and this criteria is very important because as you're farming this airdrop, this criteria is going to help you, okay, earn more stars and also help you level up, okay, in ranks, and also increase how much of the airdrop you're going to receive. Okay, the criteria are: number 1, the drop game in the game. Okay, you know, the tomato drop game. Okay, always play that. They checked your level of participation, and then daily check-ins. Do you log in daily? They put this into consideration, so make sure you log in daily. And the next is your farming frequency. How frequent do you farm? Okay, for example, when you log in, you see that farming button. Okay, how often do you click on that? How often do you come to claim it? That is very important. And another one is the daily mystery code. Okay, how often do you participate in cracking the daily mystery code? And the next is task completions. How often do you complete the tasks in the game? And finally, your referrals. Okay, how many people have you brought into the game? So going forward in the next 2 months, as you're playing the game, okay, ensure to play with these things in mind. Okay, make sure you do these things to increase your earnings in stars and level up, okay, to possibly increase your airdrop allocation. Okay, so this is it. Okay, continue playing. Don't forget, there is no guarantee, okay, anywhere with all of these games. You could make money playing these games, you could also earn nothing. So this is it for this video. If you've got any questions, let's have them in the comment section. This is Bricks LBs. Here's a guy Ken, signing off for now. Don't forget to subscribe, that's very important, and turn on the notification bell. I've got a Telegram group, the links are gonna be in the description. If you fancy, check the links in the description. Let's go.